Hello everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix the Canva export failed error step by step. If you're unable to download your design or Canva displays an export failed message, these solutions may help. Let's get started. First, open Canva and open the design you want to download. Next, click the Share button and select Download. If the export fails, try changing the file type. For example, switch from PNG to JPG or PDF, then try downloading again. If your design has multiple pages, try downloading a single page first. If that works, you can download all pages afterward. Next, refresh your browser and try the download again. If the issue continues, clear your browser's cache and cookies, then restart the browser. You can also try opening Canva in a different browser, such as Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge. Another solution is to sign out of your Canva account, then sign back in before trying the download again. Also, make sure your internet connection is stable, as a weak connection can interrupt the export process. Finally, click Share, choose Download, and try exporting your design again, and that's it. These are some of the most effective ways to fix the Canva export failed error in 2026. If you found this video helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more Canva tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.